Tron is a mid-position coin with the ticker TRX that generally has a current worth of $0.071777 and a market capitalization of $6.458,820 when 122 in an unobtrusive manner. Digital currencies in a real sense have extremely lengthy pasts, the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, which all things considered, is very critical. These days, it's a resource class that certainly is significantly directed and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate. Or so they explicitly thought. Some in every practical sense, huge venture banks even truly get Tron and really other digital forms of money all at once to safeguard their resources under administration. Against the dashing expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors in a by and large significant manner. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid and long-haul expectation of the improvements on the TRX market that generally depend on the readings of our sort of extraordinary crypto unpredictability file that for the most part assists us with measuring the market feeling and truly expect where in which the market means to go in a truly significant manner explicitly. At this point, the cost of Tron is $0.071777, while the coin as of now truly ends up at 12th spot in the truly by and large positioning, which is very critical. The set especially positioning is assessed based on the resource's exceptionally present value that generally is duplicated by its especially current market capitalization, a recipe that truly is applied all through all monetary business sectors in an unpretentious manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients really get the most applicable information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, which certainly is very critical. It's likewise essential to sort of consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. On June 23, the cost of Tron truly was at $0.071866 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change explicitly added up to 1.60%, which truly is very huge. 7 days prior, on June 17, TRX explicitly was esteemed at $0.070513, which in every practical sense intends that from that point forward, the cost has explicitly vacillated by 0% in a by and large significant manner. A month prior, on May 24, the market member laid out the cost of Tron at $0.066899. Consequently, the coin certainly has made a 6.66% move to arrive at its truly present standings in an unobtrusive manner especially. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Tron isn't the main really factor that we basically consider while making the cost forecast in an especially huge manner. It means a lot to watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to sort of have a truly clear perspective on where the market in a real sense is going, which generally is very huge. This specific sort of measurement especially is likewise used to check the strength of Tron, corresponding to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. To in every practical sense, decide the sort of current market capitalization of TRX. We explicitly duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will essentially be all things considered, made sense of later, by the genuinely present worth of the digital money under survey in a significant manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Tron remains at $6.458,820 when 122, which frames the reason for especially present truly positioning. Truly was referenced before in an especially large manner. Yesterday, on June 23, TRX basically had a market capitalization of $6,467,906,874. Keep going week, on June 17, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $6,350,172,219, or so the sort of thought. A month prior, on May 24, the market worth of Tron generally was surveyed to explicitly be $6,944,717,279 in an unobtrusive manner. Complete stock considers the quantity of coins that truly have previously been delivered by different means, for example through mining in an unpretentious way. These digital currencies can truly be utilized either for in every practical sense, dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets, or with caretakers in a very huge manner. This measurement likewise calculates the coins that especially have been deliberately transitioned away from through the cycle called consuming, which fundamentally is applied to control the expansion rate, which especially is genuinely huge. At this point, the complete stockpile of Tron in a real sense is laid out at 89,985, 169, 144 TRX, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. In conclusion, the coursing supply in a real sense is utilized to really compute the market capitalization and evaluate the coins truly current remaining in the positions, which is genuinely huge. It means the general measure of TRX that is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that generally are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly basically put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large truly accepted that digital currencies that truly have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million truly are the most appropriate for truly long-haul venture, since they sort of are generally especially prone to especially see the value in esteem over a drawn-out time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Or so they fundamentally thought. At this crossroads, Tron generally has a flowing stockpile of 89,985, 148, 765 coins, showing how it's by and large for the most part accepted that digital currencies that for the most part have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million, for the most part, are the most reasonable for pretty long-haul venture, since they really are generally prone to, in every practical sense, appreciate in esteem over a drawn-out time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. A brilliant digital currency financial backer mustn't ignore this metric while picking passage or leave point. The guideline here generally is to essentially get into the activity when the volume especially begins to rise, when the cost really is pushing out of the combination region, and truly forsake the boat once the volume starts to drop after an extensive convention. Most certainly, in spite of mainstream thinking, it's stunningly better on the off chance that those cost moves by and large occur in the areas that in a real sense harmonize with generally high volume, which truly are normally shown through tall bars on the very comparing marker that truly is implanted in all crypto exchanging terminals, an especially significant way. Taking care of that, how about we survey the exchanging volume recorded on the Tron market throughout the accompanying time spans, which is very critical. Over the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with TRX arrived at the place of $174,246,669. Yesterday, on June 23, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame basically remained at $189. 684,123. 7 days prior, on June 17, how much TRX that was traded between market members fundamentally was assessed at $176.6